Yo, the member also regarded it as the most stressful and hardest album to make. Really? Damn. Yo, what the fuck is up? Love is Noise Wonderland. Let's check this out. Oh god, about to make me buzz. Yeah. I feel like for me, that is the best way to listen to music. Cause okay, for context for people on YouTube, prior we were listening to what probably the most aggressive shit tonight so far, and now to this beautiful shit. That I don't know. I like doing that for me personally because it hits much more better. Oh god. What the fuck? Oh yeah, dude. This is not just any random screaming. This is like these fuckers where when they go aggressive, it's more passionate, it's more emotional, and I come on. I am 100% a sucker for that, and this guy, whoever's whatever the vocalist name is, he is doing that perfectly. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of these guys. That was just so fucking enjoyable as fuck. I love his noise. Actually, let's find the official page, not the topic page. Provided by 33 Records crew. Euphoria, where are you? That's the album? That's the name of the album? Oh shit. Yeah, like, dude, this is like the type of music that I could just sing to. And that type of music is so fucking beautiful to me. Oh, these guys. Boom. Oh, is that them? Okay. Oh, look cool.